All right, this is independent practice for 5.7. We're going to label, graph and label these points. So T is 0, 0, which is called the origin. So 0 over, 0 up. Right here. Well, there we go. And I'm going to label that as T. Now, number 2 is 2, 1 is D. Positive 2, positive 1, that's D. Then K is negative 3.25. So I go to negative 3 and just a little bit past it. And then I got to go down, up, because it's a positive 3, up to 3. So that's right there. That would be K. Now, I'm going to check these off as I go. N is 0, and then up down, negative 1 and a half. It's right there. That's N. F is negative 4.5, negative 4.5 right here, and 0. So that's F. A is negative 3.5, negative 3.5, and negative 3 right here. That's A. And L is 2.5 positive, so there's 2.5 positive, negative 3.5. Negative 3.5 is right here. Okay, that's L. And then S is 4, positive 4, and a positive 2.5. 1, 2.5, right there. That is S. Okay? So those should be all your points. Let's look at number 9. And let's see, what are we doing? Number 1 through 12. So we're not going to do 13. Let's do 1 through 12. Graph U on the coordinate plane to the right, then graph its reflection across the x-axis. All right, so U is 3.5. Let's see, 2, 3.5 is like right here. Negative 3 would be about here. That'll be U. The reflection across the x-axis would be about here. Okay. Now let's do B. Graph B, negative 7 and 6. Negative 7 is right here, and positive 6 would be right here. There's my 6. That will be B. And then graph its reflection on the x. So we just have to stay on this line and go 1, 2, go all the way to 6. There we go. That's B reflection. Now R is negative 2, 5. So negative 2 would be right here, and positive 5 would be right here. That is R. Now it says graph the reflection across the y-axis. So here's my y-axis. So I just have to go 1 over like that. There's a reflection of R. Cool. Let's do number 12. Amelia is drawing a map of the park. She graphs the entrance at 2 and negative 3. 2, negative 3. So there's my entrance. She reflects 2, negative 3 across the y here. So we're going to go right here. There's my reflection. Then Amelia reflects the new point across the x. So now we need to reflect this new one. So I go 1 half and then 1. So I got to go 1.5, 1.5 right there. And then I connect my dots. And the shape that I have is a triangle. All right. Go ahead and try extra practice 409, page 409, numbers 22 through 32.